Okay, so here we are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the syllabus, which you just click on here. I've changed it a little bit. I've changed it from I want 40% of the pre-lab work and 60% for the actual labs you're going to do. I also changed the number of labs. You do 5 instead of 6. All right, it's only a 1 hour course. I always got to keep that in mind. It's a 1 hour course, and with the pre-lab, you're going to wind up doing, and with um, the other you'll wind up doing about 10 assignments. That's good for a 1 hour course, and the time you're going to spend. All right, and today we're just going to get up to the pre-lab, and tomorrow I'll probably add the lab portion. All right, so let's go ahead and just take a look at the syllabus. What I've done is I've loaded it to my box. I want to go get that one. Here it is. All right, so let's take a look. Let's go through the syllabus. For the most part, my office hours are from 1 to 2 on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. That's when I'll actually try and make myself to be here. I keep thinking today's Tuesday because we started last week on Tuesdays. I'm always like, nope, didn't get a 3-day weekend. And you can also just walk in. If you happen to be coming by, you just want to stop and say, hey, I'm a real human being out there in the course, and I'm a real, professor. So what I've also found that works very, very well, and here's my phone number, is instead of blasting an email, I want us to work on 2 things. One is I'm going to put a discussion board up, and I'd like for you to use that if you can. And the second thing is give me a call, 235-2506. I'm usually in the office. Here's my. I'll just be straight up with you. Here's my schedule. I get up early at about 6 in the morning, kind of get myself ready to go and all that. I used to run then, but now I have to run later on because I've changed my actual live classes to in the morning. Come in, I lecture from 8:30 or from like 8:30ish to 10ish. And then that's when I go for my run because the gym isn't open, isn't crowded, and I can get in. And then I'm back in the office by noon, and then stay until about 4 or 5. That's basically my day. And so from 12:30 on till about 2:30 or 3, feel free to come in. Then I kind of like to start shutting down. All right, and start answering emails and stuff like that. You may come in. So what are we doing in this class? We're doing labs that you can do inside your dorm or go to Sweeney Rec or those kinds of places and do them. Okay, and you don't have to buy anything. There's no textbook. We rock. There's no. I mean, I'm getting because they see that we offer an online lab thing. I'm getting all kinds of things from the science um, school providers and stuff, and textbook publishers saying, "Hey, we've got this cool online lab. The students, for $300, come by." Ah, ah. We're going to use regular just stuff that you can find around the house, and every 2 weeks so what's going to happen this week, since we've already kind of gaffed off last week because this is a short week. What's going to happen this week is by tomorrow I will assign you the pre-lab and show you how to work that. That'll be ready to go. Okay, and then after that we will and then next week I'll do the video for the actual lab. All right, and then assign that and walk you through what the lab says and how to do the calculations and stuff like that in the lab. Okay, so that's what you can expect there. Now grades, here's our grades. I've changed it. It's 60-40. All right. There is no dropped lab. Each lab will take no more. Will take more than 3 hours. No more. That's a whole different kettle of fish. All right. Oh my God. If I will take more than 3 hours, no, it doesn't. See a lab about every 2 weeks. Tentative scheduled labs to be determined. We'll just, because things happen. Here's the technology requirements for the course. Learners spit, good luck. Then here's the other things for the lab. Okay. All right. most of that you can read on your own. The main thing was how to contact me. What's the grading scale? Those are your biggest concerns. All right. So let's stop this one, and then we will look at the actual pre-lab. We'll open that sucker up and take a look at it. I'm getting excited. This is so much fun. All right, out here.